My name is Foong Sheng Ming. I am come from AACS2034 Group 3. Today I am going to present my network assignment. This is the network scenario. As a network engineer, I need to design and implement a network for TBC University College, which include building in location A and location B. Here have the location A and B and have the department. Department include Chancellery and Management Department, Administrative Department, Finance Department, Admission Department, Marketing Department, Faculty of Innovation and Technology, Faculty of Business and Law, Faculty of Health and Medical Science, Faculty of Social Science and Leisure Management. And this is the diagram. Location A, ground floor have admission department and marketing department. First floor have finance department. Second floor have administrative department. Third floor have chancellery and management department. And far away, 100 meter from location A is location B. Location B is a large faculty office that include Faculty of Innovation and Technology, Faculty of Business and Law, Faculty of Health and Medical Science, Faculty of Social Science and Lecturer Management. Then this is my network design. I use router PTMT as the router, which is the middle one, and switch I use 2960 iOS 15 as the switch. And device I use PC. I use copper straight tooth to connect the router switch and also connect the switch and the end device. Besides that, I also add 6 module of PT router and M1 CFE into the router to connect the switch. First of all, we need to calculate the number of address needed in the larger subnet. These two columns is already provided. This one to count, how to count this? Use the original number of ports required times 20%, which is the question given, then plus the original. You will get 24, and this is the number of ports required after growth. The others all do the same thing, same formula. You can get the answer. Then this is the initial setting for the network device. I set the Cisco as the console line password. Console line password include the console 0 and the BTY line. I also set the AACS2034 as the secret password. Here I use the show run to see whether I already set the password or not. Here is the enable password and the line console 0 and line BTY 0 to 15. Then we need to choose the suitable class. How we choose the suitable class? We want to see the largest number of ports required, which is the Faculty of Innovation and Technology 720. So class C is not suitable since that only have 254 total number of ports can use in class C. So we choose class B. Here have the explanation. And I use the private address is 172.16.0.0. Default subnet is 255.255.0.0. N.M.H.H. N is the network address, H is the OS portions. Then this is the addressing class B addressing guide provided at the practical note. So we choose address class B. This custom subnet must hold first. We see the minimum number of subnet needed is 9 because we have 9 switch. We want to have 9 connection. So extra subnet of require is 9 times 20%. We get 2. Then add together we get 11. Number of OS address in the largest subnet is 600. This one I just count before, so we get 7 and 20. Okay, then how we see the custom subnet mask? We see this 7 and 20 and this 11. Okay, see 7 and 20 first. 7 and 20, then here can use 1024 and the above can use. Then subnet needles is 9, so okay, here can use 16. So we choose this one, and here can use above 1024 can use, so we choose this one 16 and 4096. So we get 255.255.240.0 as the subnet mask. So our custom subnet is this. Then we continue. After we know the custom subnet mask, then we can do the subnet table, the network address, and the usable OS range, and the broadcast address. Usable OS range is the first usable address until the last usable address. And this just according the question given. So I just put inside the network address uh, according to this table. How many bit? Here have 4 bit. So we get the address as here. Here showing. Here is showing. Okay. Then this is the addressing table of the router 0. Okay. This interface fast ethernet 1/0 to 9/0 is just now I add the modules. Then IPv4 address is come from here. 172.16.0.1 is come from here. 172.0.1. Then the other also same as the first one. Then the subnet mask unchanged is 255.255.240.0. This one is all unchanged. Then router is don't have the default gateway, so all is none. And this is the addressing table of the switch. All the switch have same interface. VLAN 1, VLAN 1, all is the same. Then this IPv4 address is used the router IP address plus 1. This 172.16.0.1 plus 1, we get 172.16.0.2. All is the same, plus 1, we get the IPv4 address of the switch. Then default gateway is same as this IPv4 address of the router. The subnet mask also unchanged, so I know explain again. And we see the next thing. Okay. Next is the addressing table of the location and the device. I named the device as CMD1 is because the short form of C, M, and D. All the naming is the same format. AD so AD1, FD so FD1. Because this have AD have same as this one, so I choose ADM1. All is the same. Okay. Then IPv4 address. I choose the last usable address. Where to see the last usable address? At here. Here is the Chancellor and Management Department. The last usable address is 172.16.15.254. So here is 172.16.15.254 is the same. Then the subnet mask also the same. Default gateway is same as here. 172.16.0.1, 172.16.0.1. This all is the same thing as the above one. Okay. And not much thing. Then this two is the different location. Here is location A. Here is location B. Then this thing I will explain later at the score. And digital resource, I use SIGOS Cisco packet tracer to create the network, and screen recorder to record the video. Reference, all the reference is come from the practical. Okay, that's all for this. But then we go to the Cisco. Okay, this is the Cisco. We first go to the router 0 and see. I already set the password. The password is Cisco. And enable. See, the enable password is AACS2034. After that, we enter the enable mode. So, config terminal. Okay, after config, we go to the interface. We first connect this line first to the switch one. So, it's F plus internal 1/0. Okay, at this three, we enter the IP address. This IP address is come from here. Router, find the router. Okay, at here. So the first one is 172.16.0.1. So we just key inside here. 172.16.0.1. Then after that, we need to enter the subnet mask 255.255.240.0. And we enter. No shutdown. And that's it. Because here is the router didn't have the default gateway. So we will need to enter the default gateway, just as it. And before we close the router, we need to copy the running configuration to start our configuration. And this is the step to do the setting. Okay. And that's all for the router compatibility. Oh, here is the 9 module I added. Just now I say I added this CFE to increase the fast internal charging. Okay, close. Then we see switch 1. Okay, switch 1 we do the same thing. Okay, password also Cisco. And enable. Okay, enable. After enable, key in the enable password AACS2034 and config terminal. Okay, after config interface, all the switch have the same interface, which is VLAN 1. Okay. After enter this, we go to set the IP address. And where to find this IP address is from here. Switch 1, VLAN 1, IP address is 172.16.0.2, and the subnet mask is the same. So just key in. And no shutdown. And because switch have the default gateway as shown as here, excuse me. Okay, then we need to key in the default gateway. So key default gateway. 172.16.0.1. And remember to copy running configuration to start configuration. Yes. And that's all of the switch. And we see the PC IP configuration. And this is just now the thing I calculate and add here. CMD1, 172.16.15.354 add here. And some must add here. You forget where add here. Just copy inside. Then after complete this, all the thing, do all the same things as switch 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And also set the all the PC. Then after complete, we can start to ping. Okay. We go to command prompt. This one is I test before, so we start to ping. First, we ping to the switch is nearby, is connect to the switch one, so we ping to switch one. Okay, we find the switch one IP address. Switch one IP address is 172.16.0.2. And we can wait, ping to 172.16.0.2. You can run one. I enter. Oh, sorry, it's 16.0.2. This one is correct. It is not 15. It's 16.2. Okay. Then we continue. Ping to the router. So get the correct result. Send for and receive for, not lost. Then after test, ping to the switch and router. We test ping to the same location PC. So we ping to the AD1. We go to find IP1, AD1, IPv4 address. So we ping to the IPv4 address of the AD1. 172.16.21. Okay, then we get the correct result. For send, for receive, for lost. Okay, it's good. After this, we go to the different location, such as this FOIAT1. So we find FOIAT1 IP address is 172.16.95.954. So we just ping it. Yes.